Declutter your desktop regularly.
A clean desktop sets the tone for an organized digital workspace. Make it a habit to remove unneeded files and shortcuts at least once a week. Keep only active projects visible and store everything else in well-labeled folders. This simple habit makes it easier to find what you need and creates a calm, distraction-free environment.
Adopt a simple folder structure.
Organize your files using a straightforward folder hierarchy. Group related documents together and use clear, descriptive names. Avoid overcomplicating. Stick to broad categories like work, personal, and projects. Limiting the number of nested folders prevents confusion and ensures you always know where your files belong.
Unsubscribe and clean up your inbox.
Email clutter can quickly spiral out of control. Regularly unsubscribe from newsletters and marketing emails you no longer read. Use filters or labels to automatically sort incoming messages. Archive or delete what you don't need. A tidy inbox helps you focus on important tasks and reduces digital overwhelm.
Limit digital tools to essentials.
It's easy to get bogged down by too many apps and services. Evaluate your tools and uninstall those you rarely use. Choose one application for each purpose, such as one note-taking app and one calendar. Keeping your digital toolkit minimal streamlines your workflow and reduces distractions.
Schedule regular digital maintenance.
Set aside dedicated time each month for digital spring cleaning. Review your folders, uninstall unused programs, and clear temporary files. Update your passwords and back up important data. Routine maintenance ensures your workspace stays efficient and clutter-free over the long term.